for your preservation. And I declare the healing of this person from that breathing problem, whether it's asthma, whatever kind of breathing problem, breathing gadgets. I declare deliverance right now, whether it's as little as inhaler or oxygen mask, oxygen tank, whatever it is, ventilators. I declare intervention right now. I declare the lungs begin to perform. And if you need the replacement of the lung, God give you the spare parts. Everyone across the airwaves in need of a spare part in your body, I declare it released now. In the name of Jesus.